Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see 100 questions on William Shakespeare. So we are preparing for set examination, paper number 2, English literature. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without wasting our time, we will start today's session. Or in this session, we will see only the William Shakespeare's related question. So note down, take a pen, paper and be prepared for the exam. Now let's see the question number first. In which year was William Shakespeare born? So Shakespeare was born in which year? This is the question. So Shakespeare born in 1564. It is the right answer. हमारा right answer हो जाएगा 64. ये हमारा right answer. ठीक है. Next question देख लेते हैं. Where was William Shakespeare born and buried? So William Shakespeare was born and buried. Okay, it is a question. So William Shakespeare born and buried at Stratford Avon. Yeah, that is why he is called as a bird of Avon. Next question. Who was Shakespeare's wife? Shakespeare के wife का नाम क्या था? So the name of the William Shakespeare's wife is Annie Hathaway. Option number C is correct. Next question. What was the name of the theatrical company Shakespeare joined for most of his career? कौन सी कंपनी उन्होंने थिएटर की ज्वाइन की थी? उस थिएटर के कंपनी का नाम हमें बताना है. The Admiral Men, The Queen's Men, The Lord Chamberlain Men या The King's Reviews. So the correct answer is The Queen's Men हो जाएगा. No, The Lord Chamberlain's Men is the correct answer. Question number 5. The Lord Chamberlain's Men changed their name to the King's Men in 1603. मतलब the Lord Chamberlain's Men का नाम चेंज करके उसी थिएटरिकल ग्रुप का नाम रख दिया गया King's Men in 1603 after the assassination of the monarch. So who was the monarch that time? So the correct answer is the king ascending, not the assassinating, ascending of the King James I. Next question. What was the name of open air amphitheater built by William Shakespeare? William Shakespeare ने एक थिएटर बिल्ड किया था 1599 में, तो उस थिएटर का नाम था ग्लोब थिएटर. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट. In 1613, what disastrous event happened to the Globe Theatre during the performance of Henry VIII? तो आग लग गई थी वहां पे, so it burned to the ground. Option number B is correct. What was the indoor winter theatre used by the King's Men after 1608? So the question number 8, let's see the options. Blackfriars, Whitefriars, the Fortune, the Cockpit. Which one is correct? So the Blackfriars. Shakespeare's father John Shakespeare held which civic office in Stratford? So town clerk, high bailiff, church warden या constable. Which one is correct? So the B is correct. High bailiff. Next question. What is the standard term used to describe the years between 1585 to 1592? Shakespeare's biography. ठीक है. What is the standard term is used? The London era, the Lost era, Apprentice period or the Great Habitus. So it is called as the Lost Years. Next question. Who wrote the pamphlets in 1592 criticizing Shakespeare as an upstart crook? So it is said by the Robert Greene. C is correct. Next question. In which year did William Shakespeare die? So William Shakespeare died in which year? So he died in 1616. But time period जब हम count करते 1603 तक ही count करते. What is the name of the first collection edition of William Shakespeare's play published in 1623? So it is called as the first folio. ठीक है. Next question. Who were the two fellow actors responsible for compiling and publishing the 1623 collections? So नाम बताने हैं उनके. John Hemming and Henry Condell, Richard Burbage and William Kempe, Ben Jonson and Christopher Marlowe, Thomas Nash and Gabriel Harvey. So question number 14 and the correct answer is John Hemming and Henry Condell. Next question. Who famously wrote in the preface of the 1623 collection that Shakespeare was not of an age but for all the times? किसने कहा था ये शेक्सपियर के लिए? सो ये कहा था हमारे बहुत फेमस जो है बेन जॉनसन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In Hamlet, what is the name of the kingdom where the play is set? कौन से किंगडम में ये प्ले की सेटिंग रखी गई है? Norway, Denmark, Sweden and Scotland. Correct answer is Denmark. Next question. Prince Hamlet studied at which European university? So Prince Hamlet कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ता था? So Wittenberg it is the correct answer. Next, who is the king of Denmark and Hamlet's uncle who murders Hamlet's father? So what is the correct answer? So the correct answer is Claudius. Next question. Which character speak the famous line to be or not to be? That is the question. तो ये लाइन कही है हमारी हैमलेट में. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. हाउ डज ऑफेलिया डाई इन हैमलेट? तो ऑफेलिया की डेथ हो जाती है और शी ड्रॉन्स, वो डूब जाती है पानी में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन मैकबेथ्स what are the three titles? The Witch's Great Macbeth, Great Monarch with Act 1. Okay. So see the options. Let's see. देख लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन को समझ लो पहले. मैकबेथ में what are the three titles? The Witch's Great Macbeth, Great Macbeth in Act First. So Thane of Glamis, Thane of Cawdor, King Hereafter. किस नाम से वो बुलाती है? मतलब बोलती है, उसे ग्रीट करती है. सो द ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु स्लेज Macbeth in the final battle of the play? Okay. Banquo, Malcolm, Macduff, Plains. So the correct answer is C, Macduff. Next question. What historical event or dynamic inspired the themes of witchcraft and treason in Macbeth? The Spanish Armada, the Gunpowder Plot, the War of the Roses, the Northern Rebellion. Which historical event? Which historical event? There is the Gunpowder Plot. Next. Where is King Lear set? So King Lear की setting है ancient Britain. Next question. Which of the King Lear's daughter refused to flatter him and his disinherited? कौन सी है वो डॉटर जिसे वो डिसइनहेरिट करता है? पहले तो उसके डॉटर के नेम है गॉनरेल, रीगेन और कॉर्डेलिया. ठीक है. सो द 25 क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो जाएगा सी, Cordelia. Next question. Which faithful nobleman has his eyes plucked out and staged in King Lear? Kent, Gloucester, Albany, Cornwall. Which one is correct? Question number 26. और 26 का करेक्ट आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, Gloucester. Who is the main villain in Othello who manipulated the Moor into killing his wife? So the Iago is the correct answer. What token does Iago use in primary proof for Desdemona's infidelity? So that रुमाल, handkerchief वो बता देता है. So 28 का करेक्ट हो जाएगा C. In Romeo and Juliet, what are the names of the two Fidelian families? रोमियो एंड जूलियट में जिनकी बनती नहीं वो दो फैमिलीज है, तो वो कौन सी फैमिली है? तो वो है कैपुलेट एंड मॉन्टेग्यू फैमिली. नेक्स्ट. हु किल द मर्केशियो इन रोमियो एंड जूलियट? रोमियो एंड जूलियट में मर्केशियो को कौन मारता है? सो द बिनोवोलियो या रोमियो या पैरिस. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज टाइबाल्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर इज रोमियो बैनिश्ड आफ्टर किलिंग टाइबाल्ट? रोमियो को बैनिश किया जाता है आफ्टर किलिंग टाइबाल्ट, तो कहा जाता है वो? क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. कहा भेजा जाता है? मॉन्टिवॉक को भेजा जाता है. नेक्स्ट. इन जूलियस सीजर हु गिव द फेमस फ्यूनरल स्पीच बिगिनिंग विथ? कौन देता है जूलियस सीजर में फेमस स्पीच? Friends, Romans, courtmen, lend me your ears. Brutus, Cassio, Mark Antony, Octavius. Which one is correct? So the 31 का correct हो जाएगा C, Mark Antony. What does the soothsayer want Julius Caesar to beware? Okay, question number 33. Let's see the options. The calends of journey. ठीक है. The ideas of March, the Ides of March, the nuns of May, and the autumn equinox. So which one is correct? So the B is correct option. Next question. Which tragedy feature the character Prince Prospero facing a plague? कौन सी ट्रेजेडी, कौन सा वर्क है ये जिसमें प्लेग जैसे बीमारी को फेस करता है प्रिंस प्रॉस्पेरियो? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज नन ऑफ द अबव, क्योंकि इसमें नहीं है वो वर्क. टेम्पेस्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which play is widely considered Shakespeare's bloodiest and earliest Roman tragedy? ठीक है. Julius Caesar, Antony and Cleopatra, Titus Andronicus, and Coriolanus. Which one is correct? So let's see option number A, B, C, or D. So correct answer is Titus Andronicus. Okay, some questions on the comedies and problem plays. In Twelfth Night, what is the name of the country where the characters are shipwrecked? Okay, let's see. Option देख लेते हैं. Illyria, Bohemia, Arden, and Norway. So the correct answer is Bohemia. Next question. Violia disguised herself as a man. And what is the name of Violia in Twelfth Night? So the correct answer, वो खुद को disguise कर लेती है तो उसका नाम क्या था? Cesario बन जाती है वो. Next question. Which puritanical steward is tricked into the wearing yellow stocking and gross gratters? So what would be the correct answer? Option number A, option number B, option number C, या D. So the Molovio is the correct answer. Next question. Where does the majority of the action take place in As You Like It? Question number 39. Let's see the answers. The forest of Windsor, the forest of Arden, the wood of Athens, the court of the Nauro. So the correct answer is the forest of Arden. Next question. Who delivered the all the world is stage speech in As You Like It? Who called it? So Jux is the correct answer. In A Midsummer Night's Dream, who is the king of the fairies? So what is the name of the king? That is the in Midsummer's Night. Okay, 41. So the B option is correct, Oberon. Next question. What is the Nick Bottom's head transformed into by Puck? So Puck did a work, that is a donkey. As का head बन जाता है उसका. In Merchant of Venice, what must be Portia's suitor choose correctly to win her hand? A riddle, one of three cascade, sword fight, a game of chess. So the correct answer is that cascade. B is correct. Next question. What specific penalty does Shylock demand for Antonio for a defaulted loan? Okay, क्या पेनल्टी थी उसकी? तो उसको देना था अपना a pound of flesh from his own body. Next question. और वो कौन था विलन जिसको ये देना था? तो Shylock was the money lender. Next question. Which play featured the witty verbal sparring of Beatrice and Benedict? So the correct answer of question number 45 is option number B. ठीक है, Much Ado About Nothing. What is the name of the shrew who is the tamed by Petruchio? Which one is correct? So the Katharina is the correct answer. Question number 47, guys. Which play is based entirely on the mistaken identity? Comedy of Errors. Okay. So Comedy of Errors, it is the correct answer. Next. What is the main theme of the problem play Measures for Measures? Measure for Measure की main theme क्या थी? So justice, mercy and sexual hypocrisy is the main theme. Next question. Who is the strict deputy ruling Vienna in the absence of the Duke in Measures for Measure? So the correct answer is A. Angelio. ठीक है? In all Wales that wins, who occur the king of France to win the husband of her own choice? So the 50 question का आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा A. हेलेना. ठीक है, रिमेनिंग 50 क्वेश्चन इसी के पार्ट 2 में हम जरूर देखेंगे. टिल द वेट नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करके रखो, अगली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहेगी. प्लेलिस्ट में चेक करो क्योंकि और भी वीडियोस रहते हैं तो आप कंफ्यूज ना हो जाए। जो महाराष्ट्र सेट एग्जाम की प्लेलिस्ट है उसमें आपको सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे।